Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. We have several job leads in today's video that's offering a flexible schedule, so of course we're going to dive right on into those. If you need any additional information, you need links to get to these pages to read reviews on these companies or put that application in, or if you need timestamps, one job is not for you and you want to skip on to the next one, all of that information is always linked down below the video in the YouTube description box. And if you're new here, welcome. This channel is just all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and then sharing them with you on a daily basis, generally Monday through Friday. I do miss a few days here and there, so make sure you're subscribed to have those notifications turned on. But without wasting any more time, first up we have the company Medix hiring. Now, Medix has 904 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a hospital billing specialist. This is remote work from home, and it is paying anywhere from $17 an hour up to $20 an hour. Now, please note, even though it was remote work from home, they do have a list of approved states they can hire in. Those states are right here at the bottom of the listing. But Medix is basically looking for somebody to submit their primary insurance claims to all of the different insurance carriers through their electronic claims terminal. So this is going to be an online claims terminal. You're going to complete the claims error reports daily, making sure there's no problems. And if there are, you're going to identify those problems and make sure they get handled quickly so those claims can get out the door to the insurance companies. So you're just validating the accuracy of the patient information so that future billing and follow-up activities can be done with a high level of satisfaction. You may have to work with phone calls, receiving phone calls from patients or insurance companies, just dealing with these claims in general, just having any concerns about open accounts or answering questions. Now, this is a Monday through Friday role, but it does say the hours you work are flexible. No weekends are required, and you can flex your hours Monday through Friday. And the only requirements is that you do have some kind of experience with insurance billing and follow-up. So they want somebody who is kind of knows how to work the Epic system and somebody who has worked with insurance companies like Medicare, Medicaid in the past. Now, next up, we have a company that is literally going to let you set your own hours that you work. The company is Outlier AI. They have 472 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for somebody to start immediately as an AI prompt writer. This is their first tier or tier 1, and they are hiring remote anywhere in the United States, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, United Kingdom, and Ireland. But they help companies improve their AI models by providing that human feedback. So what you're going to be doing is be an AI content editor, making sure you assess the quality of the AI generated writing, reviewing the work of fellow writers, and crafting original responses to the prompts in order to help teach that AI model what to do differently next time to make excellent writing. So you will be reviewing and rating the quality of these AI writing pieces using a scoring rubric on factuality, so whether they got the facts correct, completeness of the writing piece, and grammatical correctness. You're reviewing the work of human writers as well, just responding to the prompts with original writing. They do offer a flexible work schedule. You can basically work whenever you want. On top of that, they offer weekly payouts. So you automatically receive your payouts. You don't have to submit any like invoicing or anything through their system. Now, they are looking for somebody who is either currently enrolled in college for an associate's degree or who has completed an associate's degree. They want somebody who has great English language, spelling, and grammar skills, someone who has like great attention to detail, that critical eye, and of course, that you've got to live in one of the countries they are accepting. Pay for this one is $15 an hour. Now, next up, we have Equity Residential Hiring. They have 1,100 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. They're looking for a remote application processing specialist. So you are basically processing these residential like rental type applications. You will be monitoring the daily dashboard, ensuring that the applications are processed timely for the selected move-in date on the application. You're going to help offer customer service to the on-site teams, addressing any concerns and making sure that those applications are processed for their community teams. Just following up on any documentation as needed and providing alternate approval solutions as appropriate to the applicants. So you are really going to be the resource available to find solutions for either approvals of denials of these applications. You'll have policies and procedures that you have to follow. And you'll also have to do some reporting, identifying any issues or trends and escalating those up to the operation managers. Now, they're only looking for somebody who has a high school diploma or GED and somebody who has 1 or more years of professional work with basic application processing, somebody who knows how to use a computer. You have basic computer skills like being able to type into a keyboard and navigate like a Windows-based computer, different software systems, and strong communication skills. Now, pay for this one is going to be $20 an hour. Moving on along, we have Personify Health up next hiring. Now, they only have 39 reviews on Glassdoor because they are a relatively new company. Virgin, the company that has like Virgin Mobile and Virgin Cruises and all the Virgin line of things, had a line called Virgin Pulse, which was a health app on where you can download like on smartphones and stuff and track your health and things like that. Virgin Pulse actually merged with another company, and together they formed this new company, Personify Health. And so that's why they don't have that many reviews as of yet, because they're relatively new, but they do have a 3.2 out of 5 star rating. And they are looking for an account management specialist. This is remote for the United States. And so, of course, with this company, they're offering a personalized health platform to bring your health well-being and help you navigate solutions together. So it is like they offer total rewards and things like that for doing health activities. So it is like an online platform complete with an app, I do believe. And what you are going to do is be the subject matter expert in all the products and services that they are offering so that you can work across different business functions, making sure that the customer's needs are being met. So you're really just monitoring on an ongoing basis any internal performance issues, researching, assessing, and escalating any issues up for resolution. So you're really working also with the analytics team and analyzing trends for the data. So you're going to make sure you get reports ran, looking for any trends of any issues and just making sure that everything is running smoothly. So you will support account managers with their contract renewal process. You want to make sure that all of these clients are renewing their contracts so they're not having issues with any of the services being provided. Now, they are looking for somebody who has 3 years experience in either health insurance, employee benefits, human resources, or some kind of a part of the healthcare industry. They want somebody who can onboard new clients and provide that count level based service. Somebody who is comfortable working with people higher up than you, like HR directors and executives. And of course, you've got to have great communication skills, but pay for this one is anywhere from $18 an hour up to $34 an hour. Now, next up, we have Assurant hiring. They have 3,200 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for a quality control assistant. Now, please note for this one, they're only hiring in 4 select states. Those have to be Washington, Idaho, Arizona, or Oregon. And pay for this one is $18 an hour. Even though down below they have a stated pay range of $15 to $24 an hour, it looks like they are looking to start somebody right kind of in the middle at $18 an hour and then let you go up from there. But you are basically going to be supporting requests for credit deletion or release of liability. So they're looking for somebody to review, research, and respond to these customer or consumer disputes accurately and promptly. You'll use email and telephone to contact clients regarding their dispute resolution or documentation requests. So if you don't have all the information you need to complete the dispute, you'll have to reach out to them and get the additional documentation information. And then you'll have to let them know what that final outcome is, whether it was approved or denied. So you're just processing various credit reporting and audit reports. And you'll process written disputes as well as things that come through like email, fax, mail, all the different mediums. Now they're looking for somebody who has experience working in a collaborative working environment. So like teamwork makes up the dream work. Somebody who's a high school diploma or GED, and somebody who has experience handling multiple job responsibilities. So a multitasker. Now that's all that's actually required. You get bonus points and probably get to the top of the line for an interview if you can create reports using Excel and be able to perform in a high energy, fast paced environment. And of course, last but not least, we have the company Thermo Fisher Scientific hiring. They have 12,000 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a live sales chat representative. Now, please note this is a Monday through Friday job, and this is going to be doing like chat and email. It's going to be non-phone like sales representative. However, they are going to require a bachelor degree. But they are looking for somebody to really learn and use the products, features, benefits, and applications that are accompanied by their soft selling skills, so you can follow up on quality leads, initiate the sales process, promote the company products, and of course, hopefully close that sale. So you're just becoming an expert in their biosciences division product portfolios and all the different products and services that they offer for that division. You are going to process all incoming web chat and email inquiries from the customer. So this is going to be a non-phone position with that customer service, just trying to close that sale and get them to buy the products and services. So you're facilitating the information flow just between the customer, sales reps, account managers, technical sales specialists, all of that. Again, they are looking for somebody who has a bachelor degree in some kind of life sciences field, somebody who has 0 to 1 years of related work experience. That can be customer service experience. Of course, you've got to be able to navigate through computer systems like Microsoft Word, Office, communicate well in English, and have great interpersonal or people skills. You've got to have like a positive, upbeat demeanor. Sadly for this one, they did not list pay. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed anything that I shared. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.